Good morning, China. I'm here in Hohhot, China for 2 days, and this is my first time in the city of Hohhot. And yeah, today's camera is the Exilim, Casio Exilim. Yeah, I sold the A7 III, and I'm planning to buy a new camera, but for now I only have this camera, this little DigiCam. Yeah, this is how I look right now, with a big action camera on my head. And it's pretty exciting to walk around here and to explore a new city. Basically, Hohhot is the capital of Inner Mongolia, so it's a pretty huge city. I got nothing to do, just to take photographs here. Hey, here's so much to explore. It's really exciting to be in a new city and to take photographs. I wish I had a better camera, but you know, what can you do? You can't really take pictures with your phone right now, but I'm just gonna use this for today. Yeah, I'm planning to buy a new camera with the money I sold with the A7 III. But for now, let's take here. I speak zero Chinese, so. Whoa, these guys say that these guys drive like crazy, man. It's fun, man. What are the opportunities for a good photo here? Oh, look, some Mongolian scripts here. Maybe I can take here. Looks good to me. Look, there's a Mongolian script on top of this building. Looks cool. I think I'm gonna try here. Yeah, this is pretty tiny. I like this form factor, this compact size of cameras. I don't even look like a photographer with this camera, you know. It's so tiny and so tiny, like unnoticeable, like. I know only few words. 我爱你, you know. 我爱你 means I love you. Yesterday, I came here by bus and by car. It was like over 20 hours of riding to get here. I was really exhausted yesterday, but I got my good night's sleep and I'm feeling refreshed today. Refreshed to go out and take photos. Let's go to this. Oh, look at these guys. What are they doing? Look at the Vegeta over here. Ooh, Vegeta! The Prince of all Saiyans. Yeah, I'm not really looking for banger photos today, but oh, I think I found a cool angle here. It shoots like this. The advantages of these head mounts is you can see everything what I see. It's just like a street food section. Looks very interesting for me. Like with these old Mongolian scripts and Chinese.
这个多少钱？这个多少钱买的？这个多少钱？多少钱买的？
Let me take a photo here.